Now, Wave 31 Storm Tracker Chief Meteorologist Jeff Castle with 31 Triple Doppler.
Well, a bit toasty out there today.
Yes, it was. Almost. We got almost to 90, correct?
Yeah, we'll have to wait and see when the official numbers come in from the Weather Service for out at the airport. But I know there were at least a couple observations at the airport where we were right at the 90-degree mark. So we'll see if that's the official number when it comes in here shortly. We are going to see the temperatures back down a little bit over the next few days, but that is because we're going to bring an increase in cloud cover and some rain heading into the Memorial Day weekend. Now, I will preface this by saying it still doesn't look like it is going to be a washout. Just be prepared to dodge some shower and thunderstorm activity at times with our next weather maker. This is going to be an approaching cold front. It likely won't move through the area until probably Tuesday of next week. And before it gets here, we will be dealing with off and on rain and storms. We will say severe weather a possibility right now, kind of focused in on Sunday as perhaps the day where we pick up a few stronger thunderstorms. Nothing that looks terribly bad in terms of severe weather potential, but it's still that time of year where we can bring in some stronger storm activity. So we'll be watching that for your plans for the coming weekend. Here's the latest breakdown on it. 86 Saturday, some spots of rain, but again, not raining from start to finish on any of these days. Some showers and storms Sunday, we're up to 89, and then some storms will remain a possibility on Memorial Day itself, with temperatures staying there on the warm side in the middle to upper 80s. That's what we would typically expect, if not slightly warmer than our average for this time of year. Right now, things are quiet though. Wave 31 Triple Doppler, it's clean sweep out there. We've only had just very few clouds popping up here or there. Certainly no rainfall, and we're not expecting any of that through this evening or tonight. Future radar showing clear skies early on this evening, and then there will be an increase in some cloudiness coming in late tonight. Some rain perhaps as close western Tennessee back into northern Mississippi later tonight, first thing tomorrow morning. It is possible that some of these survive to make it into North Alabama or southern Middle Tennessee, but future radar is not real aggressive with rain activity tomorrow. So we've only got the chance for seeing a shower at around 10% at this point in time, and that would be mainly early in the day. By the noon hour, we're starting to break up the early morning cloud cover to mostly sunny afternoon. And then later tomorrow evening, you do notice some shower and thunderstorm activity just to our northwest. We might sneak a few of those in here after the sun goes down heading into Wednesday night, but again, does not look like it'll be anything major in terms of rain or storm activity, but we'll keep an eye on that for you. For tonight, partly cloudy. We'll drop back into the upper 60s. Light south wind expected. Tomorrow, warm and humid. Again, a very slim chance for a shower early in the day. South wind will be back at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Increase in the cloud cover will trim our temperatures by just a few degrees over what we saw earlier today. Here's a breakdown of your Wave 31 Storm Tracker 10-day forecast. 10% your rain chance tomorrow. It only goes up to 20% on Thursday. And then once we hit Friday and continue through the weekend, that is when rain and thunderstorm chances will start to flare up a bit. But again, no day. Looks like it's going to be a total rain out. Temperatures mostly mid to upper 80s for highs. Morning lows will be well into the 60s to near 70. And again, after Tuesday of next week, that is when we will begin to dry things out. We'll bring the temperatures down slightly, and notice some cooler mornings. That's reflective of that cold front that'll come through and at least temporarily take the mugginess out of the air. That allows temperatures to cool off a bit more at night.
Hey, we'll hold those hot temperatures back as long as we can.
Yeah, because we know there will be a time where there's not going to be much we can do.
Yes.
Thanks, Jeff.